Hello everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points of both exterior and interior. Then I'll make my way around, I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where again I can point out and highlight the interior features. The vehicle itself is the G20 320i M Sport and is presented in the fantastic mineral Alpine white. Alongside that, we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which again, set against the Alpine white, is a very standout and striking feature. Also, the vehicle comes equipped with the optional extra 19-inch individual BMW M alloy wheels. As you can see there, they're in fantastic condition all the way around and are wrapped in the Pirelli P0 run flats. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see the new LED headlamps, along with the gloss black front splitter and gloss black kidney grills. Down the side of the car, you'll see the satin side vinyls, gloss black side blades and the privacy glass option, which the vehicle also comes equipped with. So heading on to give you a glimpse at the interior, which once again is just as special as the exterior on the G20 range. We have the black Vernasca leather with both heated and the electric lumbar option on this vehicle, and you'll also get a glimpse of the ambient lighting feature, which again is all interchangeable to suit your colour wants and needs, and is just a start of the very special features on the G20 3 Series range. Moving on for a glimpse at the rear seats, and as you can see there, a Isofix 3-seat rear bench with the centre folding armrest and of course the darkened black M Sport headlining. Another nice touch is the new digital climate display and digital adjustment for rear passengers. It is of course all Isofix and ready to go should that be required for yourself. Moving around to the rear, where we have the high gloss rear boot spoiler. It is of course the Xdrive, so is equipped with BMW's incredible intelligent four-wheel drive system, along with the matching gloss rear diffuser, rear facing reversing camera, and I'll give you a look at that very shortly. The luggage capacity on the new 3 Series is even larger than the previous shapes and does now come with split folding seats as standard, and you can see there the genuine OEM BMW floor mats that will accompany the vehicle, which are very nicely presented. Moving around to the other side of the vehicle, again I'll just show you how well this vehicle is presented, and again how the two colours work so well together, the Alpine white and of course the black of the Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Again, a close-up look at the 19-inch alloy wheels, and we'll take a look there. You can see the individual mark. I'm not sure how well the camera's going to pick that up. There you go, now we're focused in. These are a really nice touch, being finished in the satin bicolour grey finish. Onto the very special interior, where we've got a lot of technology to get through, so I'm going to rush through that and get through as much as I can. You're greeted immediately with the BMW Live Cockpit, which in my opinion is certainly one of the nicest dashboard displays currently on the market, for not only the feedback of information you get, but just for the overall look. So you've got a digital speed display there with both a traditional rev counter and normal speedometer to the left hand side, and of course the central map view, which of course again this is all customizable, so say if you don't like the map view you can change that out for something else. However, I'm not going to show you all of that today, just to keep the video a little bit shorter. On the newer multifunction M Sport steering wheel, again this is a very nice steering wheel to use and operate, thanks to the button layout and the ergonomics of how everything feels and the position of everything. We've got the flappy paddles for the new all new 8-speed gearbox, which again works very nicely in conjunction with that four-wheel drive system. Cruise control and speedometer functions, both voice and volume controls, which again you don't predominantly need to use, because remember you can talk to this car using the AI system, which we'll try and demonstrate for you very shortly. Moving over to the larger professional wide navigation and media screen, we'll demonstrate just a few of the features of that. There is of course the navigation screen, which is all very nice and easy to use thanks to the touch screen. As you can see there, we can tap and set a destination to that point. Media wise, wide array of multimedia inputs, DAB, Bluetooth audio, Spotify music collection and other ones that can be added to the system very easily. The vehicle itself has covered just under 6,000 miles, as you can see on screen now. So of course it's not due its first service just yet. However, it has had a pre-delivery inspection service from BMW, and as you can see everything else is in green, as you would expect. Another nice feature is of course all the customizable widgets on that home screen, so you can set these to, again, things that would meet your requirements and be useful to your day-to-day use of the vehicle. There is of course the heated seat function, which I've mentioned. And just as a quick demonstration, I will of course try and use it for yourselves in this video. So here goes nothing. Hello BMW.
Hello, what can I help you with?
And there you can go. There is a nice demonstration of using the AI assistant. There is a lot of commands you can give that, including some rather comical ones, but again, we're going to save that for should you choose to come and view this or one of our other many G20 Mperformance styled 3 Series here at Your Next Car. As always, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video and found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, whereas always I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information in the description, so you can see this vehicle on our website, and of course get in touch with us in regards to a purchase of one of our absolutely stunning G20 3 Series Mperformance styled vehicles. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care, and we hope to see you very soon.